awareness, and if something comes exciting, you're the one who always take initiative. I just wanted what excites you the most, and you wanted these kind of initiatives to be taken on a higher level also.
Because developing the game at the grassroots level, especially for the young sports person, is very important. So it's brilliant to be part of this initiative, the Pro Star League, where the 900 teams have participated in this league, out of which each zone now has got 8 teams. So I'm the mentor of the South Zone, and there's a 7-day mentorship camp at the VVS Sports Academy at Srinidhi International School. So this morning I got an opportunity to spend time with all the 8 teams, and we had practice session from 7 o'clock to 11:30, and it was very satisfying, interacting with the players, because what I could see is how much they love the game, and I just went back to my younger days, when I used to be like that. And luckily, by God's blessings, I was able to realize my potential and realize my dream of playing for the country. And I just hope that when you give these kind of opportunities with proper infrastructure, proper guidance, proper coaching, I'm sure that a lot of these young kids can realize their dreams also.
You want this has to become to other cities also? We are starting an initiative from Hyderabad.
Yeah, so it's been happening in Hyderabad, in Calcutta as well. It's happening in Mumbai. It's happening in Delhi. So it's happening in 4 big metros. So it's not only about this initiative. I think it's very important that we develop sports at the grassroots level. So school will play a major role, because while it's compulsory, sports is compulsory in a lot of schools. I just hope and wish that the quality of the coaches or the trainers in those schools are professional. And there's some criteria where you select those coaches, because ultimately, if a child can spend every day 1.5 hours in the school curriculum itself, focusing on sports or extracurricular activities like arts, dance, music, you name it, they can benefit, and even the parents will not feel the burden, because the parents will feel the burden if suppose after having that school hours where they are spending time from morning 8 o'clock to 3:30, then again in the evening they have to come and go again for 2 hours to enhance their talent, then the parents will feel the burden, and even the child also will feel exhausted. So I think if in the school curriculum itself you get sports and extracurricular activities inculcated, which is happening, but with qualified professional coaches and masters and teachers, I think that's the best way to develop at the grassroots levels.
And so you're a legend and you inspire so many youngsters. We've seen the biopics are coming on, Sachin, Dhoni. When is yours?
No, actually I had opportunity, one in Hindi and one in Telugu. Yeah, but I was not very keen.
Why so? Because it's inspirational, biopics are coming, and you think these cricketers, somewhere inspire the people.
Yeah, I definitely agree with that. But my way of giving back to the sport or inspire or share my knowledge with the younger generation is through my academies. Now I've got 3 in Hyderabad, and I'm so happy that. Happy and little disappointed, because each academy, like example, the Srinidhi International School Academy can accommodate only 100 children, because quality is the priority, and I give a lot of prominence to that, and we stop taking in registration. So the way of way to give back to the game which has given me everything, and to share my knowledge and experience with the younger generation is through my academies.
So we cannot see any biopic on you?
No.
Or any character relates to you, if you agree in the future for the biopic and you want to play the role, who resemble with you?
Well, I've not thought about it.
Or any other cricketer you think that this movie should come and you would like to see?
I think a lot. Like example, at the moment, someone like Virat Kohli is an inspiration. The way he transformed himself and realized his potential. He's become an inspiration, just like what Sachin was in our generation, and he's inspiring the entire this generation of cricketers, not only cricketers but sports person, by being supremely fit, disciplined, and always trying to achieve excellence. So I think someone like Virat inspires me as well.
And last question, how IPL is exciting you?
Oh, always. I think very happy with the way Sunrisers have played so far. We hope that we play to our potential, and hopefully the cup will be in Hyderabad this year.
Oh wow, thank you
Thank
so much.
you.